world of clones in Scratch. Ever wondered how to duplicate your sprite in just a snap? Well, with the Create a Clone of Myself block, you can. Let's see how it works. So, what's a clone block anyway? It's a way to make copies of your sprite without having to drag in new ones. Think of it like magic. One sprite can turn into many. Let's try a fun example. We'll create clones that move to random positions. Here's how. Add a Create a Clone of Myself block inside a repeat loop to make multiple clones. Tell the clone to go to random position. Now, every time we hit the green flag, our sprite makes new clones that pop up all over the place like popcorn. Let's spice things up. How about making the clones disappear with a fun sound effect when you click them? Add when this sprite clicked. Next, add Start Sound Pop to make that cool pop sound. And finally, delete this clone to make it disappear like magic. Now, watch this. Click, boom, it's gone. Now you can create as many clones as you like, and even make them interact with your clicks. Try it out, and let me know what you create in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more fun coding tricks. Happy cloning!